How to follow WhatsApp channel. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So there is a new section in WhatsApp, and as you can see in the bottom left corner, it is called updates. Now, if you click on there, you'll be brought to this page, and here you can actually see like some basic channels right over here. As you can see, for example, the Netflix channel, and it says follow your interest on WhatsApp channels. It's just a quick overview of WhatsApp channels, like what it's all about. So then I click on accept and continue, and I now clicked on the Netflix channel, and this looks exactly the same as Telegram basically, but on the top right corner I can now click on follow, and I'm now following Netflix, as you can see. Now, for example, let's say if I swipe to the left again, I can also, for example, follow this channel, ESPN. If I click on follow, I can now scroll through this as well. And as you can see, two channels have already popped up, so now I can easily click between these channels, as you can see. And yeah, but if there is a channel which isn't shown in here, for example, I mean, you can search for it, but if it's, for example, a private channel, then someone has to actually invite you via a link. Now, that person can send that via, for example, WhatsApp. And if you click on the link, you should also be able to join that specific channel. Here you can, for example, click on share, and then here you can share it to people. Yeah, so that is how to follow WhatsApp channel. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I'll see you next time.